I'm Shimli and I wanted to read about 50 books, but soon I realized that I will not be able to finish reading 50 books by the end of this year. But I am reading more than what I usually used to read. If you want to start reading or if you want to restart your reading journey, you have clicked on the right video because I will be sharing few tips and tricks that might help you to read more. But first, let's understand why do you want to read more. The first thing that I want to ask is that do you simply want to start reading because you are seeing this massive surge of Bookstagram accounts on Instagram, or do you want to start reading just because it makes you feel good and you enjoy the feeling, it's your hobby and you like the feeling of being lost in your imagination? I am here to help you out. I used to read a lot as a teenager, but then I stopped. I don't know the exact reason, but I just stopped. But a few years ago, I came across few Bookstagram and Booktuber accounts and it reignited my love for reading. And since I was already a reader, it was relatively easier for me to start with reading again. I read for fun, but sometimes to learn things. Mostly I read just for fun. And I agree that you can learn things from the internet too by reading articles or watching YouTube videos, but not everything that you read on the internet can be considered as a reliable source of information because you simply cannot trust everything that you read on the internet. Also, I feel that with the increased usage of social media, we are bombarded with information every second, which can lead to a lot of misunderstanding and confusion regarding few topics. However, when you read a book to gain knowledge, the information shared in a book is mostly backed by research. I also agree that you can learn more on the internet or you can explore new topics on the internet, but it can also lead to unwanted distractions if you want to learn about a particular topic. Books, on the other hand, they focus on a particular topic and you will be able to learn more about a particular topic without any distraction when you read a book. There are essentially two ways to read more. You can either be a fast reader or you can simply try to read more. However, you can be a slow reader, but with regular practice, you can become a fast reader. So the key here is to read more if you want to read more. Reading is also almost like working out. As a beginner in the gym, I am very sure that you will not be able to lift heavy weights, but with time things become easier. It's like training your muscles. So if you want to start reading, you just need to start with it. Start small. You can start with a collection of short storybooks. Also make sure that you don't start with reading series. When I started my reading journey again, I made sure that I was only reading standalone books and not series, because reading series can be quite overwhelming for a beginner and you might find it very boring. So start with standalone and start with small books. You can also start listening to audiobooks. As a beginner, your main goal should be to build a habit of reading regularly and actually enjoy the process of reading. Again, I'll say the same thing, that you need to start small. You can join reading challenges online, or you can also make your personalized reading challenge on Goodreads. This year I wanted to read 50 books, so that was my reading goal, my reading challenge for this year. The next tip has helped me a lot when I was restarting my reading journey. I started reading 20 to 30 pages a day. Again, I'll mention the same thing. Switch scrolling social media with reading and I'm very sure that you will be able to read more. Also, if you think that you will not be able to read a specific number of pages every day, you can switch things up according to your liking, according to your routine, and you can spend a specific time of your day reading. For example, reserve around 15 to 20 minutes every day in the morning if you want for reading. The next tip, I think it might be very controversial: read multiple books at once. One of the most important thing that you can do if you want to start reading more, if you want to read more frequently, is to always have an enticing option with you. When you read more than one book at once, there is always something that you are in mood. For example, I am in the middle of two audiobooks. One is thriller, one is fantasy. I I am also reading one romance novel on my Kindle, and I am also reading another physical copy of book. So I am currently reading 4 books at once. The next tip, find an environment that make you happy and also make you want to read more. When you want to read more, it is very important for you to understand the environment that makes you read more. Consider spaces that make you happy, because when you are happy, you might want to read more. Also, it doesn't have to be somewhere far away from your home or somewhere very fancy. Your own room can be a very cozy spot to read in. Especially for me, I like to read in my room. I like to lay on my bed because in my room I don't have any distraction and I feel very comfortable. Find a comfortable spot which will also make you happy. Also, I want to mention that I sometimes take my books out, especially now that it's almost winter. I like to take my books out. I like to sit in the sun, get some vitamin D, and I don't want to be stuck inside my room and feel depressed all the time. I go to a nearby park, I find a cozy spot, I sit there and then I read. Also, going out with my book, I don't need anybody to talk with. A good book can make you forget the reality, can also make you feel relaxed. You can never and you should not underestimate the impact a book can have on your life. Therefore, if you want to start reading more, you should actually enjoy the process of reading, and your goal should not be to read certain number of books but to actually enjoy the process. If you are starting your reading journey, consider all the best things that can happen if you start reading regularly, and then find a format that you enjoy reading the most. You can choose a Kindle, you can also listen to an audiobook, and you can always anytime grab a physical book that's always available, and after that get in the right environment. And additionally, you can also find a community that fosters reading. And that's it. I hope you liked watching this video. I hope that you learned something, and if you have watched till the end, leave this emoji in the comment section. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.